Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K40 and AirPods Pro, and I'm going to show you how you can connect this to the device. So at the first you have to open charging case of your AirPods Pro and click and hold back button to move AirPods Pro to pairing mode. Let's make it. When this indicator starts blinking, you can release that key, and now just simply open Bluetooth settings, tap on the switcher and take a look here. Available devices list. AirPods are connected, AirPods are available, so we have to tap on them once, click pair, and after a few moments we are finally connected. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.